Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Kumar Prajapat. As I have promised you in my previous video that I will bring a masterclass of dealing with people of Dale Carnegie's. Then the first book I have picked is How to Win Friends and Influence People, and which is also a very famous book, and it is my favorite book because before having a proper network by your friends, you can't talk to, you can't lead, you can't deal with public. Because if you have to reach the island of popularity, you have to cross the sea of networking, and this book will help you to achieve this higher network of with people. The first chapter is it in Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People is, if you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. Let's see, the topic is very interesting, but the first chapter has been concerned with a very complex story, so I will bring my own story and help you connect the dots. Okay, let's start it. So शुरुआत करते हैं एक इंसिडेंट से जो मेरे साथ हुआ था. When I was in class 8, my friend told me, Mukesh, don't you know that the apple contains a mineral called iron? I was shocked, I was bewildered, I was flabbergasted. मैं चौंक गया. मैंने पूछा, भाई लोहा सेब के अंदर कैसे हो सकता है? Then he insulted in front of my whole class and said, Mukesh, you are just a very average student. You don't know. You don't think like a topper. तो इतना सब नहीं पता कि आयरन एक मिनरल भी होता है और एक मेटल भी होता है. और जो मिनरल जो सेब के अंदर पाया जाता है, जो एप्पल के अंदर पाया जाता है, वो हमारे ब्लड को, हीमोग्लोबिन को एनरिच करता है. सो इंसिडेंट से हमें ये पता चलता है कि माई फ्रेंड वॉज राइट. येस, ही वॉज राइट. एम आई वॉज रॉन्ग? येस, आई वॉज रॉन्ग. But is the way he corrected me, is the way he told me, is the way he told the facts was true? No. That's why that is the thing which most people do. Any fool can do that, and most fools do. A great founder of the stores that bear his name once confessed, John Vanamaker, I learned 30 years ago it is foolish to scold. I have enough trouble overcoming my own limitations without fretting over the fact that God has not seen fit to distribute evenly the gift of intelligence. भगवान ने सबके पास एक ही बुद्धि, एक ही क्षमता नहीं दी है. Have you ever stopped in your life and thought that criticism is futile because it puts a person on the defensive side and usually makes him strive to fight for himself, to justify himself? Criticism is dangerous because it wounds the person's pride, which is precious to him, hurts his sense of importance, and arouses resentment. It will only bring loss, and loss to both the parties. Hence, Seal, another great psychologist, said, as much as we thirst for approval, we dread condemnation. Let's consider, I will criticize you. Will you bear that? You will criticize me, and I will criticize you. That cycle will run on, run on, run on. We have to be intelligent. We don't have to criticize others because it only arouses resentment, and it makes the matters for go far farther. It has been rightly said and proven that हिस्ट्री के जो पेजेस होते हैं, इतिहास के जो पन्ने हैं, वो क्रिटिसिज्म से पूरे भरे हुए हैं. कोई एक दूसरा क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है, उनको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है, इनको, मतलब क्रिटिसिज्म ही क्रिटिसिज्म है हिस्ट्री की बुक्स में. और डू यू नो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट अबाउट क्रिटिसिज्म? Criticisms are like homing pigeons. They always return home. Let's realize that the person we are going to correct and condemn will probably justify himself or herself and condemn us as return. It is a never ending cycle. आप किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, वो भी आपको क्रिटिसाइज करेगा, लेकिन ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. आपका मेन एम होता है सॉल्यूशन क्रिएट करना, जिससे हम एक बहुत अच्छे सॉल्यूशन में जा सके और एक हार्टफुल एंड हार्मोनियस रिलेशन क्रिएट हो सके. नेवर क्रिटिसाइज एनीबॉडी फॉर एनीथिंग. नाउ don't take like a children is abusing any other children is wrong and we should not criticize him. No, we should correct him. We should told him the right way, not to criticize others and not to abuse. This is the wrong way. Abraham Lincoln, he told, with malice towards none, with charity for all, he held peace all over his life during his tenure as the president of United States. Don't criticize them. They are just what we would be in similar circumstances. Put yourself, आप अपने आप को उनकी जगह पे रख के देखिए, आप अपने आप को उनकी परिस्थिति में रख के देखिए, आप भी उनके जैसा ही बिहेव करेंगे. बस ये रिएक्शन देने की बात है. आप कैसा रिएक्शन किस सिचुएशन में देते हैं, वो आपका कैरेक्टर डिसाइड करता है. ये एक लाइन सबसे फेमस है इस चैप्टर की और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. ये लाइन है, डू यू नो समवन यू वुड लाइक टू चेंज एंड रेगुलेट एंड इम्प्रूव? क्या आप किसी इंसान को चेंज करना चाहते हैं, या उसको रेगुलेट करना चाहते हैं, या उसको इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं? अगर येस तो अच्छा है. आई एम ऑल इन फेवर ऑफ इट. मैं बिल्कुल आपके साथ हूँ. बट वाई नॉट बिगिन फ्रॉम यू? Why not begins from you? Yes, begin from you. Most people don't do that. Don't complain about the snow on your neighborhood's roof, said Confucius, when your own doorsteps are unclean. Always look yourself when you are criticizing others. You may be in the same situation and prevent others criticizing from you. When dealing with people, let us remember we are not dealing with creatures of logic. हमें हमेशा सोचते हैं कि यार ये बोलेगा, मैं ये बोलूंगा, उसने ये बोल दिया. लॉजिक की बात नहीं है. Humans are the creatures of emotions. We are dealing with the creatures of emotions. Creatures bristling with prejudices and motivated by pride and vanity. People are moved by emotions. They are not moved by logics. That's why rationality is very scarce commodity in our time. I will speak ill of no man. Any fool can criticize, and most fools do. But it takes character and self-control to be understanding and forgiving. क्योंकि खुद के क्रिटिसिज्म सुनना और दूसरों को क्रिटिसाइज ना करना, ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा कैरेक्टर का उदाहरण एग्जाम्पल है. A great man shows his greatness, said Carell, by the way he treats little man. This is a great thing. which I have ever heard. How to Win Friends and Influence People of Dale Carnegie is one of the best books जो आप पढ़ सकते हैं और आप फ्रेंड्स बना सकते हैं. आई हैव मेड आल्सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स. मैंने बात करने का तरीका बदल गया है, एक्सेंट भी बदला है, कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट बहुत सारे हुए हैं. So what we should take out from this book? This is this. If you all you heard and you have to practice in life, the thing you have to do is, instead of condemning people, let's try to understand them. Let's try to understand them by putting ourselves in their shoes. Let's try to figure out why they do what they do. That's a lot more profitable and intriguing than criticism, and it breeds sympathy, tolerance, and kindness. Once you understand people, it is not a kind of arrogance, it is a kind of sympathy. आप अपनी उदारता, अपनी सहनशीलता दिखा रहे हैं किसी और के प्रति. To know all is to forgive all. As Dr. Johnson said, this is the most beautiful punchline which I will say. As Dr. John Johnson had said, God himself, sir, does not propose to judge man until the end of his last days. भगवान खुद किसी इंसान को जज नहीं करते जब तक उसके लास्ट डेज कंप्लीट ना हो गए, जिसके पूरी जीवन खत्म ना हो गया हो. तो why you and me judge a person and criticize others? Let's try to understand, share, and care. The principle number 1 of chapter 1 is, don't criticize, condemn, and complain, because these will take you to the hell. Always understand other person, be kindful and sympathetic, and have a negotiation approach which will help other person to agree with you. Thank you. And this will only happen, this will, you can only be master at the chapter 1 if you practice it daily. हमारे लाइफ में बहुत इंसिडेंट होते हैं जिसमें प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए रोज. ठीक है. If you want to improve public dealing, you can subscribe and like my channel. And if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, please comment below the section. I will answer your all doubts as according to my capabilities, and I will help you to increase your public dealing capabilities. Thank you.